Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're going to talk about how to show like and share count in Instagram. So let's get started. Well, after getting the application, go to your profile by tap here in the bottom. Then click on the three line at the top right. Scroll down and choose this option here, like and share counts. You should know that when you disable it, the number will appear normally again. Well, now turn off this option here. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.